lánàá òde yìí oríṣiríṣi àwọn àgbà òṣèré tíátà ni wọ́n péjú pésẹ̀ síbi tí wọ́n ti ṣe ayẹyẹ ètò ìsìnkú fún gbajúgbajà òṣèré Ademola Allwell ènìyàn bánkẹ́. I can hold my tears yesterday nígbà tí mo rí àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́tún tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́sì, most especially nígbà tí wọ́n pe Rotimi Salmi kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ademola Allwell. Ẹ jẹ́ n sọ kankan fún yín ní ayé yìí wípé ohun tá a bá ṣe lónìí ọ̀rọ̀ ìtàn ni bí ó bá dọ̀la. Rotimi Salmi in the first place kò lè sọ anything, he was speechless, but nígbà tí yóò la ohun àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá tí ó jẹ́ lótìtọ́ àti lódodo èèyàn lè fi gbàgbé irúfẹ́ ẹni yẹn ló jáde lẹ́nu Rotimi Salmi. Ó ní òun struggle in the English industry kí Ademola Allwell kó tó mú òun wá sínú Yorùbá industry láti wá máa jẹ̀rọ̀ wípé òun ti jẹ̀yà níbì kan wípé òun wá ń jẹ̀rọ̀ lásìkò yìí. Oríṣi.
I fought battles on my behalf. When I was coming into the Yoruba industry, I was told that there are lots of witchcrafts. So it's not a place for me to come. Yes, I came into the industry believing that there was no witchcraft. But I still did not feel that there was any. Until when some things happened and she had to sit me down and analyze those things for me. We fought a lot of battles, that's all I can say. And the only thing I feel I owe her, with the help of everyone, is to keep her legacy. Allwell has always believed so much in the up and coming. He believes that if you're nobody today, you can be somebody tomorrow. But that's the legacy I want us to keep. If you know Allwell has in one way or the other affected your life, passed through your life in one way, even if it's just to make you smile by watching our screen. However you can help protect our legacy, please do. And I want to say thank you to everyone in the industry, for those that accepted me, everyone out there. If Allwell has offended you in any way before she passed, I beg of you, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive her. And if I have to, please forgive me. And I pray that Allah Ajeki Oto Jino Sero will see Okono Wati Uma Waiting by the Jelodoi and many years to come. I know, right? But then, may whatever you do here is what people will say about you tomorrow. It has affected lives. I have a living testimony. My family is a living testimony. People were holding my mother where she was. People were holding my mother-in-law where she was. People were calling my dad, were calling my father-in-law, calling everybody around me. I just told myself, I'll be fine for you all, and I'll be fine for myself too. Thank you so much.
Oríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ni oníkálukú sọ nípa Ademola Allwell. Tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa gbajúgbajà òṣèré arábìnrin yìí talk to be Biola Adebayo. Òun náà sọ tiẹ̀. Ó ní òun mọ iyì àwọn short clips tí Allwell ṣe pẹ̀lú òun nígbà náà tí àwọn jọ ń ṣe memories times together.
People, I was always with Allwell, and regularly, Allwell man she would snap pictures, she would do videos, she would post. I'm never good with things like that. And for the first time in my life, I appreciate those videos. I never thought that you were one only meaning June Konkolo. The people that you see won't matter here. Say if it comes to your mind to call somebody, please call them. Even if it's to say hello, please say it. Allwell was my sister, my friend. I find solace in the fact that as a friend, as a sister, she while she was alive. On her birthday in August, I wasn't that really very happy or so much, but I just asked her. I said, oh well, he left her for birthday. If I could have every year, he could have gifts for me. He left her. Onya, to buy Tabani Colossy Club, Oya ṣe ká jáde mo ní okay. Call your friends, call the few people that you can call. Ibo lẹ fẹ́, ṣé Chinese restaurant, ṣé bí bye. And she said, oya let's choose Chinese restaurant. Let's go. Mi ò lè ever go ní August because that would be her last birthday. I wish that this gathering is to celebrate something else. Boya birthday, boya ọmọ, boya wedding, boya nǹkankan. But here we are today. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run bá fún ní kálukú láti ní agbára láti ṣe to put a smile on someone's face. Let's do it. May God.
Tala tún fẹ́ sọ tí ò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Allwell. Àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n wà níbẹ̀, you will see the expression on their face that deeply inside them wọ́n mọ̀ pé èèyàn ti lọ. Ohun tí mo wá sọ lẹ́nu ni wípé gbogbo ohun tí a bá ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rọjò wájú. Lẹ́ni ọdún 49 ní Allwell Adekola yìí láìrò tẹ́lẹ̀ nítorí wípé àṣeyọ̀wò lọ́lọ́run ṣá ta ló tó bí. Ẹ wo àná yẹn mi mọ̀ bí ó ṣe rí lára mi. I can't just hold everything together because I was so emotional. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn, you see them coming. Iyabo Ojo was there. Agba Mr. Latin was there. Adekola was there. Madam Shaja was there. And Fiti Abalogun especially was there. They were able to come out to give their last respect to Ademola Allwell. So, I feel like pẹ̀lú àwọn kan míì tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi event yẹn lánàá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbélé ayé ṣe rere. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbélé ayé ṣe rere. Ìyẹn ogún ọdún wa máa gbóná fẹlẹfẹlẹ. Ohun tá a bá ṣe lónìí ọ̀rọ̀ ìtàn ní Bódọ́là. Allwell, a fẹ́ ọ ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run fẹ́ ọ jù wá lọ.
Allwell tí mo gbọ́ ìwé ìyá because ó kú bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta tó máa kú ni mo slow fóònù mi mo wá rí nọ́mbà yìí máa pe Allwell kò tí fún mi ní nǹkan ọdún náà òun ló dẹ̀ máa ń sẹ́ǹdì owó sí mi ẹni ọdún tó bá ti sẹ́ǹdì ọdún jẹ́ máa pè mo ti sẹ́ǹdì owó ẹ̀díẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọmọ mi ni she's a very good girl ọmọ tí ó ní ìwà ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ṣiṣẹ́ yìí ó ní ìwà ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ gan-an tí ẹ bá rí tí Allwell bá bínú lórí iṣẹ́ ni pẹ̀lú àwọn òkú ẹ̀ kò pẹ́ tí ó ṣe parí sinimá kan tí mo lọ báyà àti abatuan àti àgbàdo ló direct ẹ̀ lọ́nà ẹ̀sìn ó kàn nígbà tí ọmọ yẹn kàn wá ayẹyẹ ayé wò ó kàn padà ìṣerú ọmọ tó yẹ ká lù sára wọ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní hit ọlọ́pàá wà fún ọ.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ni èmi tì í tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.